Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold with the non-farm employment change in the next Friday, 7th June. So how to trade with gold NFP data. You can join with my Telegram group. Link is below. Get more profit from the gold trading. So I am in a 4-hour chart gold. You can see the pattern I have already marked. This is the pattern. So for price is ranging from last week. This is the ranging area, that is the price ranging that can be breakout to upside or downside. That's the decision is with the NFP data this week Friday. So breakout to the upside, and that is the upside. So retest, and that is your buy trade. So breakout to the downside. So breakout to the downside. This is the upside movement. 2380 to 2390 can be target to the breakout to the upside. This is my one option with the technically setup. Remember, this is technically set up. Targets where breakout to the upside. This pattern breakout. So breakout to the downside and retest, that's your sell trade, and your sell target is the below sell zone is the 2280 zones. That's a 2280 zone is the target. Your breakout to the downside. That's the two options with the technically analysis with the pattern breakout. I mean for our chart goal, that's the technically option. So we let's go to the non-farm employment change. What is the going on next Friday is the NFP data. You can see the NFP non-farm employment change 175k is the previous one. Fed American Central Bank expect to 185 to increase. If NFP data increase 185 or above about 200 like that. Unemployment rate 3.9. Unemployment rate dropped to the from 3.9, and average hourly earnings 0.2. Fed forecast to 0.3. That's the actual data 0.3 or above. That's the actual is increased. That's the unemployment rate drop. That is the positive for US dollar. That can be gold drop to the below side. So effect such is gold drop from below side to the positive data NFP data. That can be recent. So positive NFP data and unemployment rate drop, that can be gold drop to the below side. Your sell opportunity in gold. That's the NFP. There's a positive. The other side is the NFP data is 185k is the forecast data. That's not increased to 185 or drop from 175, and unemployment rate increased to 4% or above, and the average hourly earnings not increased. That is the not positive for US dollar, and that is impact, that's effect to gold pushed to the upside. That's the two options with the NFP data you can trade with. So American Central Bank forecast to labor data increase. So I'm hoping my personal idea non-farm employment change data positive and gold push to the downside. That's I am expecting, hoping data. This is the Fed Watch Tool website. You can see the September FOMC meeting. That's the above 50% interest rate cutoff forecast. That can be reason for dollar sell-off. You should remember this interest rate price forecast also if you are trading gold. Fed Watch Tool website, that is the more important thing. That's the September FOMC meeting above 50% forecast to the interest rate cutoff. So interest rate cutoff increase, that will help to dollar sell off, gold push to upside. If you are trading gold, you should always remember touch with the Fed Watch Tool website interest rate price forecast what is going on. So thank you very much. Get the trade.